I'm gonna be showing you how I make cool fonts like this. Hey guys, it's CAPCUT Editing and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is one of the most highly requested videos I've gotten on my channel growing so far. Also, I would like to say that we hit 3K views already, so I'm pretty happy about that. How exactly I edit my YouTube videos before I post them. So basically the behind the scenes. I'm gonna be showing you how I make cool fonts like this. Or do cool stuff like this. Or even make my text go to the back like that. Be 3D if I wanted them to be. Okay, so first of all, whenever I edit my videos for my YouTube, I always use CAPCUT. I'm a beginner creator and CAPCUT has helped me so much. For thumbnails, I usually use CANVA. I use CANVA all the time. I cannot recommend any other app, but if you know, you can use it. And for my filming, today I'm not using my normal phone that I usually use to film. I use my Galaxy Z Flip 3. My Galaxy Z Flip 3. I use that to film, but today I had to do I have to show you guys how I edit on my phone while I film, so I got an iPhone 15 Pro. Now quality is epic. I'm so in love. If I was to get an actual camera, I would go for the Sony ZV-E one. Only because a lot of people have recommended that to me, okay? I'm gonna send this intro to my phone and I'm gonna edit it and screen record it. And I'm gonna add it as an overlay onto here so you guys can see what exactly it is that I'm doing. So yeah, what I'm gonna do first is open CAPCUT. First of all, I use CAPCUT Pro because it has so many more features that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on new project. So yeah, click on new project, and the video that you already edited, that one over there, we're going to click on that. Hey guys, it's CAPCUT and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so we're just gonna add that, okay? So the first thing you're gonna try to do is, you want to really cut out the parts of the video that you do not need. You have how many seconds? You have this amount of seconds to get the attention of the people that are watching. So you can't start huffing and puffing and breathing and everything. You need to cut that out, okay? Let's see. Hey guys. So we're just gonna cut out that first part because ew. Hey guys. Hey guys. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna stop it there, okay? We're just gonna stop that there. We're gonna click split, and you're gonna see this plus sign down here. Plus sign. You're gonna tap on that, and then I'm gonna add my intro, the intro that I already made on CANVA, by the way. I do want to be changing the sounds of my intro. One of the perfect ways that I do this is I go to TikTok and then I download the sound. So currently, here's the sound that's making. Okay, so I really don't want that. I don't want that sound anymore at all. I'm gonna click on, you're gonna see this part that says edit audio text. You're gonna click on audio. Yeah, common sense, I fear. Click on extract. Like I said, I already saved the video on TikTok, so it's just easy to add that on. Do you understand what I'm saying? I've added that, so you can kind of move around with your audio and everything. You cut it out where exactly you want it. You don't have to use the beginning of the audio. You can split it. This part called split the audio to wherever you want to use it. I don't want to use the beginning of that audio. I want to use somewhere at the ending for my intro because I like it. Do whatever you want. So yeah, I have kind of adjusted the whole thing. You can kind of play around with your audio. I'm never gonna lie, I love to do that. You can whenever you adjust it, you can add a fade in. You see this part that says you click on the audio that you added and you see fade, and you see fade in. I really like that. It's okay, so usually you can kind of adjust the volume of the sound that you want to use. You're gonna click on the video and then you're gonna scroll down here to volume. Volume. Yeah, that's right. You're gonna click. That's one of the major advantages of using Pro on CAPCUT is that you can just click loudness adjustment. Why is my thing doing like that? Okay, better. That's what I thought. Anyways, I want to click loudness adjustment so that all the clips, any entire clip that you add is going to be the same adjustment, or else you have to keep adjusting everything. It's kind of stressful. That's why I use Pro. Hey guys, it's CAPCUT. Hear me? Back to my YouTube channel. I'm so spicy. Okay, yeah, great. So all the clips are now there. Apart from the intro though, you don't want the intro to be loud. You can usually just make your intro have no like sound, but mine had the sound before, so like yeah. Okay, so at this point I want the loudness to kind of reduce. So I'm gonna click split, and then I'm going to lower the volume to be like, I don't know, 50 or something, like, so that you can hear my voice. I don't want overlapping, you know, like be demure about this. Oftentimes when I do play the video, it be sounding like, you know, you can hear noises and everything. So I just like to go down here. You click on the video, you highlight the video, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see this part that says reduce noise. Yeah, you better do that. And also you can't do that unless you have pro, or else people are not really gonna be hearing what exactly is you're saying because of the background stuff and everything. I hate that. Okay, so here is, yeah, so now you can see that my voice is projected out properly. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the cutting part of the video, because I don't like it when I'm saying stuff and it's like I repeat the same thing, or I take a moment to, you know, breathe. People don't have time for that. We're gonna click on that. Okay, so you see where I go? No. Okay, got it out. You just drag it out. You get what I mean? Okay, so yeah, that's much better. Just a little bit more. Okay, so here. Okay, so I did add some razzle dazzle to it, but I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. This is what I'm talking about. So you see how I did a text and it's like bouncy? Yeah, I would come back to that, but that's pretty cool. I know you like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut out everything. I'm gonna show you guys the intro, then we're gonna move to text. So I kind of did like a rough editing of it, but if I was doing it for real, I would go deep into detail. You know what I mean? So let's just watch the whole thing again. Hey guys, it's Chica on YouTube, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so at this point, I kind of want to add a cool text. I want to add like something that says subscribe. And when I was on Canva and I was trying to add that on Canva, it was like telling me stuff like you have to be on Canva Pro. I do use Canva Pro, but at that time that I made this thumbnail, I did not use Canva Pro at that point. So I'm going to teach you how you're going to do green screen and write like, you know, that subscribe button clicking thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and, what the heck did I just do? You're going to see this plus sign, you're going to add that. And then you're going to go over to library. And then you see all these green screens, these cool green screens. And then I'm just going to go for the one that's like suitable for me. This, yes. This one. So you're going to go down to overlay at this point. Overlay, you see that overlay button, you're going to click on overlay. And then you're going to go to library. And then you're going to click the one that you want. Click that. Great, we have that. Because we need that, okay? We're going to go to remove background. You see this part that says remove background? That is important. Chroma key, click chroma key. Select the green parts that you don't want. And you're gonna make the intensity so high. Okay, so you're gonna make the intensity of the color green so high so that you cannot see the green anymore. So yeah, there we go. And then I think the green should be gone by now. Yep, you see now you have that there. You see that? Yeah, you see that? You see that? You see that? Yeah, that is exactly what you want. That's what I want. I don't know about you. I might be feeling like wanting to go in and add sound effects, like clicking sound effects, you know. You're gonna see audio right here. You're gonna click sound effect. Then you're gonna try to find like a click. Oh, it was already there. Yep, that is it. Bingo. Let's hear that again. Yeah. Today's video is yep, perfect. Here is the fun part where you know you did a razzle dazzle with the text and everything. My best part, in my opinion. I'm showing you how I make cool fonts like this. Okay, so we know that part where I say this. Go in and write the text that I want. Great. Now I'm just gonna click something like, I don't know, I'm just gonna write Chica. By the way, my name is Chica. I'm gonna choose like a cool font, I don't know. Then click add text. There's so many templates over here, look. So many cool templates. And by the way, you can only use like the nice templates if you have Pro. So I've emphasized and use Pro all the time. So here's what I chose. I chose this because I think it's really cool. Make cool fonts like this. I think that's pretty cool, okay? And then I'm gonna choose another one. I'm gonna say Casey because Casey is my middle name. So I kind of chose the one I want already. Pretty basic, but like I said, you could explore whatever you want. So here's kind of what it's looking like. Like this? Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool in my opinion. Pretty cool, okay? By the way, you can adjust the text. You don't have to, you know, kind of need to know how to maneuver, like, you know, move it like this, you know, move the text like that, up and down, wherever you want. Let it sync to whatever you're saying. If you're doing like that, make sure the text comes when you do like that. Like this. Or do cool stuff like this. Or even make... Okay, so at this point, I want to show you how I make my text go to the back. So you're gonna click on that video, right? And you're going to duplicate it. I feel like this is one of the best things I've learned growing on my YouTube. I kind of learned that on my own. Like, no one tutors me on how to edit videos. I just, maneuver CAPCUT and I figure it out. Like, so we're gonna make that into an overlay right now. Okay, now that is an overlay. Like that. We're gonna drag that to be exactly under the one we just duplicated. To the back, like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of split this part, because that's where we want the text to go to the back, okay? So when I say like that is where I want the text to go to the back, so I'm gonna split it at that point. Also split the main video. So now you're gonna remove the background of this. This is one of another benefits of using CAPCUT Pro, because I don't have to manually remove it. I'm just gonna click auto removal, and that removes the background of that. So that's done. Next, we're gonna kind of layer the background. We're gonna kind of layer it. We're gonna swap layers. So you see, you're gonna do like that. So you see, now the text goes to the back. Or even make my text go to the back, like that. You see how cool that is? At this point of the video, there's a part where I'm talking about 3D stuff. They could even be 3D. I went on to text, did that so you can see. 3D if I wanted them to be. So you have so many choices to choose from. I'm not even gonna lie. CANVA is amazing. This is what I chose. This one. 3D if I wanted them to. Then you can also go in ahead and make animation, like moving everything, because that's pretty cool. You get to be more, razzle dazzle. I'm gonna choose. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna use that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm looking at my intro right now and I'm like, yeah, this thing is so boring. I want to catch people's attention at the beginning of the video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of duplicate one of the texts that I've made, add that to the beginning. You get what I mean? So that it can capture people's attention. Click duplicate and then add that to like the beginning. And then where you have this, you kind of want to duplicate that as well. And then bring it back to that place. I'm going to be showing you how I make cool fonts. So yeah, you get what I mean? So now people kind of have an insight of what exactly my video is about, so they don't get bored and get out. This is what the beginning is looking like. I'm going to be showing you how I make cool fonts like this. Hey guys! Okay, so that is a bit boring. We need to add like a transition. So what you're going to do is, you see this little line here? That line, that kind of minus line? Papery kind of fonts. I think they're pretty cool because I think they're gonna catch people's attention, like, wow, she can edit. There are so many sound effects that you can use and everything, video effects. I'm gonna show you what I mean by video effects. Click on it, you're gonna see effects. You see body effects. Body effects is pretty cool. My favorite is the hand drawing one. It's like, yeah, I love that. If you watch most of my videos, you know that I use that almost all the time. So many things that you could explore with CAPCUT, but I don't want it to be too much. But yeah, we've explored how to do text, cutting out, sound effects, overlay. If there's anything in particular that you guys want me to go over on how to edit, please type that in the comment section. So much things to dive into on CAPCUT, but I cannot, because I want to make this video short, but informative. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you know that whenever I post something else. Bye.